Believers on the face of the earth say that there is such a dreadful nation trapped behind a massive, cruel barrier for thousands of years. They are not ordinary people. They are numerous because they drink up and exhaust all the water of the earth. They will devastate whatever comes before them. This is not a fictional tale or a story from a movie. This is the dreadful sign at the end of the world described in the Holy Quran, Yajuj and Majuj. Who are Yajuj and Majuj? Yajuj and Majuj are the descendants of Adam Ayyar, meaning humans like us. But their nature is more violent than that of animals. They were a barbaric and ruthless nation who descend upon humanity like a curse. They destroyed crops, looted wealth, and brutally killed people. Their conduct endangered humanity. How was that great barrier created? Many centuries ago, Allah sent a righteous and powerful being who traveled from one end of the earth to the other. He reached a place where a helpless nation lived. That nation came to King Badshah to seek refuge from the dreadful oppression of Yajuj and Majuj. Leader Badshah did not request any wealth or tribute from them. Instead, he solely sought their assistance and meticulously devised an infallible plan to ensure their collective success and prosperity. With 3 massive pillars of iron, he blocked the empty space between the 2 mountains. Then, by igniting a fire, he molded the pillars into circles and coated the other circle with copper. On this side, a highly impregnable mosrin, along with an extremely strong and sturdy wall, was meticulously built, making it impossible for Yajuj and Majuj to successfully breach. After successfully building the wall, that great king did not boast. Instead, he humbly said, "This is by the grace of my Lord." What are they doing beyond the wall today? For 1,000 years, Yajuj and Majuj have been working beyond this wall every day. They are trying to break the wall bit by bit. They chip away at the wall every day from morning until evening. When the wall is about to break and starts to deteriorate like thorns and they see the sunlight, their leader says, "Let's stop for today, we'll break the rest tomorrow." But they forget to ask Allah if He wills. And by Allah's command, the next morning the wall is strong and complete again as before. Thus, generation after generation continues year after year. So, where is that great wall in today's world's mysteries? This is the question that makes people ponder.